Here is an emotional, moral-based short story about a schoolgirl that highlights kindness, courage, and the importance of inner strength. Title: The Last Bench Star. Once upon a time, in a small town school, there was a quiet girl named Anaya. She always sat on the last bench, rarely raised her hand in class, and mostly kept to herself. Her uniform was always neat, but old. Her shoes were worn out, and her lunchbox often contained only plain bread. Many classmates ignored her. Some even whispered behind her back. But Anaya never complained. One day, during the science period, the teacher announced a group project. The top-performing students quickly formed groups and left Anaya standing alone. Seeing this, the teacher paired her with Ria, the most popular and smartest girl in class. Ria was annoyed. She whispered, "Great, now we'll fail." That evening, Ria hesitantly went to Anaya's house for project work. She expected a dull evening. But what she saw surprised her. Anaya lived in a tiny home. Her mother was sick, and her little brother cried in the background. Anaya, without complaint, helped her mother, cooked food, completed chores, and still managed to get good grades. Ria sat silently, watching. She had everything: luxury, comfort, and praise, but she never appreciated it. That night, they worked together. And the more Ria got to know Anaya, the more she admired her strength, kindness, and intelligence. The next day at school, Ria stood up and said loudly in class, "Anaya is the best partner I've ever worked with. She taught me more than just science, she taught me courage and gratitude." The class went quiet. Then slowly, others began to notice Anaya, not as the last bench girl, but as the star she always was. Moral of the story: never judge someone by their appearance or silence. Everyone is fighting a battle you know nothing about. Kindness, empathy, and inner strength are what truly make someone special.